Welcome to Hyde Hall. Come on in. This Pemi is Hyde Hall. This is home to our School of Applied Business, one of our biggest group of programs on the Plymouth State campus. And it's a wonderful building, but it's old. And it's in need of love, it's in need of renovation, and it's in need of the kind of investment that will allow our students for generations to come to succeed. So it came online in 1976. Very few renovations have been done since then. So we're trying to raise $10 million so that when our students are here, they have a cutting-edge 21st century place to learn and grow, and so that they have the resources they need when they graduate and move out into the world. The renovation of Hyde Hall provides new opportunities for collaboration on our campus at Plymouth State, using the cluster learning model for students by providing first-hand experiences in sales, marketing, finance, and other business-related disciplines. For Giving Week, an alum has generously offered to match every gift towards the Hyde Hall renovation up to $10,000. I encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity to leverage the impact of your donation. Make a gift to the Hyde Hall 1976 campaign and help us unlock the $10,000 matching gift.